Hey guys, Glory the hot looking llama here, and today we're back in another Animal Jam video, and tomorrow I'll leave you speechless, yeah. Again, we're back at it again with Gaddiella82, dun dun dun. Now Gaddiella82 is giving me a special big blowing up surprise tomorrow, but the thing is, the thing she gave me today is already, it's crazy, okay. I'll make sure we're both online too. Oh gosh, okay. I'm excited, very excited for that. So today, she sent me this gift. Just gift. Sent me these two gifts. Whoa, wonder what it could be. It could be anything. Okay, I already saw it, but like, what could be anything? Maybe it's a shiny magenta necklace. You never know. You never know. Okay, you ready, kids? The first gift. Here's the first gift. Oh, hold on. We gotta see if she said anything. Oh, yeah, she didn't. She didn't say anything yet. Ooh, look at that nice outfit. Nice outfit. It matches very well, like that camera. It's a nice camera you have. Okay. You know what? We're gonna open up the gifts and see what we get. 3, 2, 1. Got I like freaked out because I saw this gift first, because she sent that one first, but then she sent this one over, and then I'm like, what? So she sent me this red short rare spiked wristband. You see that rare spike? It's a spike. It's a wristband. It goes on your leggies. I'm gonna decline. I'm just kidding. So thank you so much, Gaddiella82. I'm collecting these spikes to save up, and this is really crazy. Okay, this is the crazy. Oh, hold on. Before we're gonna do some dancing. We're gonna do some dancing here. It's a dance party. This is a dance party, you know. See, we're gonna dance party. Okay. Llamas for life. Yes, indeed. Okay. Are you ready, guys? 5, 10, 9, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you know what? 3, 2, 1. What? He's blah, blah, blah. You know what the crazy thing about both of these spikes? Also, thank you so much, Gaddiella. Keep it. Bird. It's really crazy. Cause she actually, like yesterday or something, she got like both of those. She got the red short and the red short, she got the red short set. And she also got an orange long from the Lucky Clovers. I mean, it's called Lucky Clovers. You can get anything. I don't think you can get, don't be a sad llama. Be a happy llama. So again, I'm gonna thank her. Thank you so much for the gifts. Thank you. Thank you, Gaddiella82, so much. Of course, in honor. In honor. Look at this. Shiny, rare, spiked. Look at them. We got the collection going on. Hold on. Just gotta wait for it. You know, it's a bit laggy. Oh my god. I like how I have all these like warm colored spikes. We got the red, we got the yellow, and we got the orange. But then there's just this one green spike here. Gaddiella82, thank you so much for these. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Happy llama glory. Indeed. Indeed, I am a happy llama right now. Oh my gosh. We gotta do a 3-star emoji. That's how cool we are right now. Oh my gosh. My brain, it's exploded. And she said tomorrow will be a really big brain explosion. That's how big it'll be. Okay. What animal should I use? We're gonna use... I'm gonna use this fox. 2.0. 2.0x dude. Oh yes. We are Happy Llama 2.0 Gaddiella. Oh yes. We be so cool. Oh my gosh, especially Gaddiella82. I'm like a 7 out of 10 cool, but she's a 10 out of 10 cool, kids. Okay? So cool she is. Also, Vanny09, you're a 10 out of 10 cool. Shout out to both of you, but especially Gaddiella82. It's coming together. Okay, we gotta do this. Na 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 na. These cartoon gloves are amazing. Okay. We gotta make the world's greatest outfit. We could go with a nice little simple flower crown. We can go with that too. That's but look at that top hat. That's pretty good. Okay, we're gonna go. Let's see here. I have the outfit planned out in my head. So we're gonna go a few pages down. But you know, we found Cupid wings that match it perfectly. Oh my gosh. I'm so freaking out over this. And then also, we're gonna get a little bit of a bone tail in here. We're gonna go with a magenta over here. And then maybe we're just gonna go with the red. Okay, we're gonna go with that. Okay, let's see. Okay. Gotta exit out. Gaddiella. In honor of these, do you like my outfit? If that makes any sense. Like in my head that sentence makes sense, but I don't know. Does it make sense to you, Gaddiella82? Gaddiella, in honor of these spikes, do you like my outfit? Do you like my outfit that I made with these spikes? Look at them. We got pretty crazy, kids. We got the red short. We got the... I don't know. It still blows my mind. Like, wow, that's crazy. Also, it's crazy that she got it all in Lucky Clovers. She had to trade 0. She got to save up her rares. Ooh, she'd be lucky. I'm kidding. This is a weird conversation. Look, I have a red long set now. I have a yellow long set. I got an orange. Yellow short set. I have an orange short set. Now I have a red short set. This is amazing. By the way, I have all these spikes because soon I might do a big giveaway. But not a big. I don't really know. I might do a giveaway soon. But for now, I'm just kind of saving up for some things. I mean, it's 100 out of 10. Oh, really? It's you said it was 10 out of 10, but then you said it was 100 out of 10. Thank you, Gaddiella82 again. This is crazy. So thank you again, Gaddiella82, for the spikes. And just a big shout out to you. You gave me so much. You even gave me like a yellow short wristband in the past. Wow. So again, thank you so much, guys. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Peace!